Hi guys, Yolanda here from Vent Company, your ventilation specialist. And today we're going to review the circuit test on the Luisa ventilator from Lowenstein Medical. The circuit test has to be performed before ventilation is started on a patient. Reason being to see if there's any leaks in the circuit and how the circuit handles the flow of air, and just to make sure that everything is intact before starting ventilation. So as you can see, we've connected our circuit over here. We have a dual limb circuit. So there's two instances where we can test the circuit on this machine. System, you can go to circuit test, and then you can press start. Or we can go to ventilation. To access ventilation, you'll see it's not here on the menu buttons. We unlock the screen, and now we can go to ventilation. You'll see at the ventilation menu there is a little icon for patient category. You choose either adult or pediatric. We have an adult patient. You choose your patient interface, invasive or non-invasive. So our patient has a tracheostomy, so we're going to do invasive. And it says you also have to check your alarm settings if you change your interface. And then circuit. So we have a dual limb circuit which has been chosen. But you can also do a test for a leakage or a single circuit with a valve. And then we choose perform circuit test, and then we go on. So when you're doing the circuit test, please make sure that you choose the right type of circuit and also the right accessories. So it says set circuit configuration. Is it with proximal pressure measuring or without? So our circuit does not have proximal pressure monitoring, so we'll go and choose this one. And then we press OK. So it says connect all the accessories to the device, the circuit, the breathing system filter, the active humidifier. Remove accessories close to the patient. Seal the end of the tube closest to the patient. So remember, we're not connected to the patient, it's before we connect. So you'll see our circuit is blocked. And now we can say next. Okay, you'll see it says open the end of the tube close to the patient. There we go, it's open. And we press next. You'll receive a message now on the screen saying circuit test successful, connect accessories close to the patient. So now we're going to connect our test lung, which is our patient for this moment, and you press finish. And you can press start therapy. And that was the circuit test on the Luisa ventilator from Lowenstein Medical. Thank you for joining me, and I see you soon.